Does that know that we're still calling on him? That it is time, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it is time to open the gate and let Nnamdi Kanu go.
Where is the treasonable felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are jumping. Treasonable, treason, treason. What's treason today? He's gone. The same way this terrorism charge will go. The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for them.
Okay, sir,
for justice and fairness and equity everywhere. We've come to serve our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal and must be dealt with.
Can somebody please explain to me why Nnamdi Kanu is still being detained by the Nigerian government? Sunday Igbohon, the Yoruba fighter, has been released. Omoloye Sowore has also been released. All of them charged with similar things. But Nigerian government also released the leader of Islamic movement in Nigeria, who was detained. Why is Nnamdi Kanu still in detention? If Buhari had a personal grudge or hatred against the Igbos, of course he called the Igbos a dot in the circle. What about Tinubu? President Tinubu, you owe Nigerians a duty, especially the Igbos and all lovers of freedom. Knowing you as also a freedom fighter, you owe them a duty to, with immediate effect, release Nnamdi Kanu. He is a prisoner of conscience who has committed no crime against Nigerian state. His movement is a non-violent movement. You have seen him, you have heard him say that anybody perpetuating violence against Nigeria or against the people is on his own. If this guy could say this, what else do we need? Will you continue Buhari's hatred against the Igbos? The elders of the Igbo land, the who is who, pleaded with the previous president to release Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, notable among them was Mbazulike Amaechi, who made a death wish to President Buhari to personally release Nnamdi Kanu to him. Buhari granted or seemed to have listened to him, but turned his back on the dying man. Mbazulike Amaechi's death wish, was not granted. Please, Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of conscience and should be released with immediate effect. This is just a slap on the Igbos. Recall the case of Ezendibu of Lagos, when the Igbos were being attacked, when the Igbos were being killed, the offense being that they voted for Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the previous presidential election in Nigeria. Their crime was just that they voted for him. They were being attacked. This man just spoke out and said that he will invite a certain group to defend the Igbos if the Nigerian government will not defend them. Till date, that man is still languishing in jail. But bandits are being fed by Nigerian government. Terrorists are being forgiven and being rehabilitated by the Nigerian government. But the man who is fighting a true cause, who is fighting a just cause, is still languishing in jail. I just don't understand. What is it? Hatred for the Igbos. Slap on the faces of all the Igbo leaders, letting them, you know what? We don't recognize you in this country called Nigeria. President Ahmed Tinubu, please break down that Berlin Wall and let Nnamdi Kanu walk free for genuine reconciliation to begin. This is Open Whispers. Kindly remember to subscribe, share the video, and please like the video also. See something, say something, and please do something. The man died in he who keeps quiet in the face of tyranny. Until we meet again in the arena. Cheers.